now let's say you want to add your text into this video. What is this video about? So this video is about my camera setup. So I'm going to click on the double A sign here on the top right hand corner, and I'm just going to write camera setup or camera settings. And as you can see, TikTok gives you options to edit the text. So this is what happens when I click on the A sign. And down here, I also have options to change the color of that background. So when I click on this A here, it gives me the different highlights that I could have on my text. And if I proceed to clicking on different colors, that highlight changes. So you can choose the color that you want. Let's say we want to go with green. I'm wearing a green top. And then you can scroll up and then you can decide where you want that text to go. Be careful not to go too low, because as you can see, that's where you have all your text. TikTok has a lot of text there, like it shows like the sound and your name and all of that. So we're going to bring the text up there. Another thing you want to do with your text, you can decide how long you want the text to be on screen. Okay, so for that, you're going to click on the text and then you're going to press set duration. So when you press set duration, you can actually come and adjust the length of the text. So you can leave the text to go all through the video, or you can adjust it for halfway through. And then you press the check mark. If you want to review, you can actually just play this and then you'll be able to review. And when you're done, you just press the check mark. And then now we have our music, now we have our text, and we have our video.